Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Henna Art by Bia. Today, I'll be sharing very beautiful stylish front hand Mehndi designs for Eid that will make your hands look graceful and trendy for the special occasion. Whether you love intricate patterns or minimal elegance, there's something for everyone. Let's get started. Segment 1. Elegant Floral Front Hand Mehndi Design. Let's start with a classic floral Mehndi design. This design features delicate flower patterns, swirling vines, and fine shading, creating a festive and stylish look perfect for Eid. Segment 2. Minimalist Finger Mehndi Pattern. For a sleek and trendy look, this finger Mehndi design is perfect. With tiny dots, stylish lines, and geometric elements, it adds a touch of elegance to your Eid celebrations. Segment 3. Arabic-style front hand Mehndi design. Arabic Mehndi is always in style. This stylish Arabic front hand Mehndi design includes bold floral strokes, paisleys, and graceful curves, making it a stunning choice for Eid festivities. Segment 4. Bracelet-style Mehndi for a fashionable look. Want your Mehndi to look like jewelry? This bracelet-style front hand Mehndi design features chain-like patterns, beaded detailing, and intricate motifs, adding a festive and trendy touch to your Eid look. Segment 5. Mandala Mehndi with a contemporary twist. Mandalas never go out of fashion. This mandala front hand Mehndi design is a perfect blend of traditional beauty and modern style, with its detailed circular patterns and festive accents, making it an ideal choice for Eid. Which very beautiful stylish front hand Mehndi design for Eid was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing Mehndi tutorials. Eid Mubarak in advance. See you in the next video.